This is, as I said, a top 3 market for us by any metric that you use. So we have absolutely, in terms of plans, big plans for this market. We are absolutely confident about the medium-term prospects of this market, despite some of the slowdown that we have seen over the last 18 months or so. We clearly want India to be right at the top in terms of contribution to the group. What does that mean? That would mean that we need to have, continue to have a disproportionate share or the mind share of our clients and customers. How do we do that? Given our presence in India of over 150 years and given our international franchise, we really want to be supporting our corporate customers onshore as well as offshore as they expand and go more global. As far as consumer is concerned, clearly we want to be in more cities, we want to be in more towns. And I don't think it's necessarily about opening more physical branches only. It is going to be a combination of using obviously the brick and mortar presence, which would be important, but supplementing that with a digital presence. Because as you look into the future, I don't think the young generation is going to be using branches as frequently as say the present generation is using. So we need to build a digital bank where you can use, whether it's online, whether it is mobile banking, whether it is using your cards for transactions. So you'll have to make it more digital. And I think our strategy is going to be, how do we use the current so-called lack of branches to our advantage rather than view it as a disadvantage. So have sufficient number of branches, but at the same time have cutting edge technology where you can reach the customer wherever they are at whatever time of the day it is or night it is. So that's what we are going to be focusing on.